Hi everyone, join me today for an easy morning practice to move the body, breathe, and start the day feeling good. Stand up straight and relax your whole body. Begin turning your body from side to side. The key here is to begin the momentum from your legs up. Keep your knees slightly bent, soften your hips, and relax your lower back as much as you can. Relax your neck and shoulders, allowing your hands to gently brush the sides of the body. Then go ahead and turn and lift your toes off the ground. Keep your back nice and flat, making your legs work a little harder here. Come back straight and naturally slow down the movement. Return to center and relax for a moment. Then go ahead and take a nice full breath in through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Keep your breath full yet gentle. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, allowing your chest to expand. Breathe out and relax. Then go ahead and inhale through the sides. Exhale, allowing your hands to flow down the center. Breathe in, lift and expand, creating space for the lungs. Exhale, soften down. Repeat twice more. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax here and take a moment to notice how you feel. Then go ahead and interlace your fingers. Turn and gently press out. Release the position and relax your neck and shoulders. Go ahead and repeat. Relax your neck first, followed by the shoulders and your whole body. Then raise your hands up. Slowly turn to the side. Release. Then turn to the other side. Return to center. Press out one more time. And relax your hands down. Then bring your hands to the chest. Press forward. Hold the position. Release to round your elbows and turn to the side. Come back to center and repeat on the other side. Return, press forward one more time and release down. Relax for a moment. Then go ahead and raise your hands shoulder high. Open your chest and stretch in the opposite directions. Release to soften and repeat the movement. Release the position and relax your neck and shoulders. Repeat one more time here. And relax fully. Then bring your attention to your hips. Taking your time here, slowly rotate your hips. The key here is to rotate your hips and not the lower back. I want you to keep your lower back nice and relaxed and bring your awareness to the hip area. Change the direction. Taking your time here to notice how your body feels, to feel your hip joints, and bring your awareness to that area. Come back to center and relax for a moment. Then bring your feet together, squat down, and tap your knees. Release and relax fully. Go down and repeat. Pause and relax. When going down, keep your lower back nice and relaxed and your tailbone pointing towards your heels. Make your legs work extra hard to support your body. Relax and repeat one more time. Release the position. Allow your legs to relax. Step out. Then make your hands into cups and gently knock on the groin and the hips. Then move to the sides, the top of the glutes. Go down the sides of the legs. Pause at the knees. Then move to the inner leg. And slowly come up. Relax here. And gently bounce into your heels to loosen up and relax your whole body. Keep all the muscles relaxed and your joints loose, allowing the blood and energy to travel freely up and down your body. Relax here and take a moment to notice how your body feels. Then go ahead and take a nice full breath in. Exhale down the center, bringing your breath and awareness near your abdomen. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Taking those full breaths with your lungs. Exhale. Allow your body to soften. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax here and take a moment to notice how your body feels. What's changed, how you feel now compared to when you started this practice. And if you feel good, smile to yourself. Thank you for joining me. I wish you a good day Stay safe, and I'll see you soon.